Okay, so we looked at the edge trigger type with a sine wave. Let's change it to slope and a ramp wave. Okay, now we're looking at the slope trigger type. Channel 1, good. Rising, okay. Let's go to page 2, and we can see we can set, with a slope trigger type, we can set the upper and the lower range. So we're at 2.12 volts for the upper, and the lower, let's adjust the upper, I guess. Now the lower, 1.52 volts, negative. Okay, so now we've got almost exactly the time base, which is 200 microseconds. So we've measured the distance there, the time. Okay, the coupling's set to DC. Noise reject, doesn't make a difference, okay. Limit range, now we're set to less than. Good. So we're set to 2 nanoseconds. Let's go up. And we're going for greater than 200 microseconds. 60, 70, oh, we went all the way up. Okay, 500 microseconds. 3. You have to be careful because you don't want to shoot past it. Okay. There we are. Okay, so 185. About. Okay, that's about our time.